You identified that medical oncology, of course, very important in the management of this disease. So talk to me a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so as my colleagues mentioned, chemotherapy is a big part of the paradigm for the treatment of most stages of gastric cancer, with the exception of the earliest stages. And it can be either in localized disease to combine with surgery to reduce the risk of recurrence, or it can be used in the more advanced settings to control the disease. And in metastatic cancer, we have at our disposal chemotherapies as well as targeted therapies and immunotherapy as well for some patients.
Of course, I think everyone has been hearing an awful lot about immunotherapy. Would you like to explore that a little bit more?
Yeah, so immunotherapy has been a very exciting new development in the field of oncology. It is basically this category of drugs that targets your body's own immune system to try to help it to recognize the cancer as foreign and destroy it. This is based on what we've learned about cancer, that it expresses signals on its surface that basically shut the immune system down. So we now have drugs that can block those signals, and in some cases, people can have really long-term benefit from these types of treatments. So in gastric cancer, we have one drug currently which is approved. It's called pembrolizumab or Keytruda, and it's available to patients with metastatic disease who either have a tumor that overexpresses PD-L1, which is that signal that we're blocking, or that have a defect in their tumor called mismatch repair or microsatellite instability. So for those patients, immunotherapy may be a good option for treatment. A lot of our research is focused on how to get immunotherapy into the remainder of patients and how to make it work better in a larger group of gastric cancer patients. And so that's what a lot of the clinical trials we're doing and other research is focused on.
Are there other agents that are on the horizon you're excited about?
I think there are a lot of new immunotherapy drugs in the pipeline. You know, we have a number of trials exploring different ways to combine these agents, and a lot of work going on in the background to understand who might respond to which one better than another. So there's a lot of effort being put into this right now.